सनबर्नातल्या आवाजाच्या प्रदूषणाविशींचो कृती आराखडो सरकार बेरेस्तारा उच्च न्यायालयांत सादर करतले। इतले मजगतीं वागातोर वाठारांत रावपी कांय जाणांक ऑटिझम दुयेंत आशिल्ल्यान तांणी ह्या विशीं न्यायालयांत हस्तक्षेप याचिका दाखल केल्ली। ह्या विशीं फाल्यां सुनावणी जातली। याचिकादार डेसमंड मेंडिस हांकां सुनावणेच्या पयलीं सुचोवणी मांडपाक सांगिल्ली आसा।
Sunburn matter is concerned, it is kept for tomorrow. Otherwise, government was supposed to produce a plan of action for this event that we are going to produce tomorrow before the High Court. It is kept tomorrow for this very same purpose. As far as this company is concerned, which is the project proponent, they are supposed to hold this event. They have filed an affidavit giving details as to what precautions they will take, all technical requirements they will satisfy. They will try to reduce the noise, so on and so forth. So that affidavit has been filed, that affidavit has been taken on record by the High Court, and High Court has said that they will comply with those requirements. As far as government is concerned, the action plan which is supposed to be produced before the High Court is under preparation. That will be produced before the High Court tomorrow. Tomorrow at 4 o'clock, the High Court has kept this matter specifically as a special case. They are supposed to give some suggestions. They have been told by the High Court that they should give the suggestions by today to the government, and the government will consider them. That is the only purpose of those intervention.